Hiya guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for joining us. I think I've got a real winner of an idea for you today. This was actually sent to me by a subscriber. So thank you Kirsty for sharing this with us all today. Essentially, you remove the crust from slices of bread, brown or white, or it doesn't matter which. And then you roll them out to form a sheet of very flexible, thin material that once topped with any topping of your choice, you can roll them up and then dip them in beaten egg and shallow fry them. I really love the simplicity of this, but more than anything it was the most fun I've had cooking in years. That's why I thoroughly recommend you give these a go. I'll be on with the original recipe I was sent, which was for mushed up raspberries, either fresh or defrosted frozen ones. I was surprised by the generous portion that this one sheet of bread could hold, and I think that's a great balance. And as you can see, when it comes out, it looks lovely, all golden and crispy on the outside and fluffy soft on the inside. My lovely autumn fruit salad is great to select from to adorn the plates and try to match the filling to the fruit. The next one I tried was cooked apple, to which I added sultanas and some cinnamon. And it turned out that one apple, with the addition of the sultanas and cinnamon, would actually do 2 of these roll-ups. So at half an apple and some raisins, that's quite a generous filling in proportion to the bread. I added a generous pinch of brown sugar just before rolling up. And in case you're wondering, not one of the fillings I tried leaked out whatsoever into the pan. The next one I tried is quite an indulgent, either power-packed breakfast or a dessert, I'd say. And I used chocolate hazelnut spread, a generous spreading of it, on one piece of bread. And then I thinly sliced banana to lay out and form a layer on top of the chocolate spread. I can't begin to tell you how delicious they were with the hot melted chocolate and the banana aroma. Next I did a lemon curd one, which was tangy and fresh. And then, oh, here we are, here's Chunky Monkey out of the pan. And served with a little brown sugar and some fresh banana. Next I did a jam one. I used a really good quality strawberry jam, and obviously these are very easy to roll up and make. So I'd be interested to know if you try them, whether you think they're more like a Pop-Tart or a donut. Oh, here's the lemon one out, and this is served with a chopped up fruit salad, I felt, and a little golden syrup and some sesame seeds for interest and difference and a bit of sweetness. Now it's on to the savoury ones. I fine diced this onion, and I tried at first a full slice of this vegan cheese. And though it did work in the end, it was difficult to roll and inflexible. And so it led me on to chopping the cheese into little slices and strips so that it would bend and flex more around the bread as it rolled. And this is the thing of cooking. You learn as you go along and experiment, and there's no harm done, it still worked perfectly well. This spoon of chili jam really raised this next cheese and onion one to the next level. Thoroughly recommend this. As did the peppers and fresh parsley in the next one. So, on to those crusts that we cut off at the beginning. I had beaten egg left over, and I had the crusts, so I thought, well, I'll add a bit of spice to the bread and then I'll dip them in the egg and fry them. Boy, were these lovely. They turned into these lovely crispy but soft on the middle breadsticks. They were Moorish. Right, the eatability test time. You can see that they cut really well, and just look at that filling. So those were the savoury ones, a winner every time in my opinion. I chose the strudel one to sample for the dessert to cut up for you. And as you can see, the layers remain distinct and you can see all the filling as it wrapped around them, and they were gorgeous. So here's my savoury selection with some salad, and I decided that it just needed that little extra, so I pepped it up with a spoon of the chilli sauce to dip in. These were really lovely. They could make a snack, a breakfast, a starter, a light lunch. As always, these were dairy free and vegetarian friendly. They'd be fun to make with the kids. You could even use bits of leftovers, and this would be a great way of using them up. So I do hope you give these a try. They're very economical, great fun. And so all that remains for me to say is thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching the channel, and thank you yet again if you've subscribed and tick the notification bell for when my next video comes out. I think it's great that we can share our best recipes through this platform, so thank you for sharing, and do keep sending in ideas. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.